everybody, it's me, Wicked Penny. I'm in the kitchen. I'm starting a recipe. I started a little bit ahead of time. I don't want you to sit here and watch me, you know, do some of the least important parts. I'll tell you what I did to this point, but I just want to make it quick and easy for you, so you don't, you know, you don't get bored with the video. Enough of that. Anyway, friends of mine that happen to live in Chicago, you all might know them. Maybe you don't. They're called Windy City Frenzy. They have a channel on YouTube, a slot channel. They do all kinds of fun stuff, guys. They're hilarious. I love them. They're so much fun. If you're interested in that type of entertainment, I will put their link in the description of this video so you can subscribe to their channel. They're amazing fellas. They do lots of fun stuff. They live stream from the casinos. They bring you into their home. Well, enough of them. It's about me, right? So anyway, Ken sent me a recipe for a quick and easy appetizer. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I've heard of this recipe, as sure I'm pretty sure all of you may have, but I've never made it with one of the ingredients that they sent me. I've usually made this, it's a queso dip, a spicy sausage queso dip. And I've always made it with a few of the staple ingredients, which I'm going to tell you. I'm going to put you down real quick. Oh, wait, let's have a sip. Because you know what? I'm having chips and dip. I'm having myself a cold beer. Even though I got in Tequila We Trust hat on, I wasn't in the mood for a margarita. Yeah, wait a minute. I'm always in the mood for a margarita. I just don't have any mix. So, a nice cold beer is the next best thing. So I'm going to put you down. Okay. Look at this. Easy, easy. Easy trigger. Okay. Actually, guys, I halved their recipe because I don't need a whole batch. I'm not going to a party. I'm just making this today for you to show you how it's done. Now, this is a half a roll of Jimmy Dean sausage. I'm sure you can use Bob Evans, an off-brand, whatever you like. And it calls for, I halved it, so this is 1.5 bricks of cream cheese. Now, I softened it up a little bit in the microwave so you could, so it would melt a little quicker. Again, I halved the recipe. The normal recipe would be a whole roll of sausage and 3 bricks of cream cheese. So you can imagine how much dip it's making to take to a party or put it in a small crock pot for your friends. Now, the recipe calls for a 1/2 cup of milk for the whole recipe, but those guys did tell me that if you like it a little thinner or thicker, or however, you know, add milk to your liking. Now, another main ingredient, see how this is coming along, is ROTELE. Okay, their recipe again calls for a whole can, and I'll put their entire recipe in the description of the video, and you can adjust it to your liking. This is the whole can, so I'm going to put like half, okay? I'll put half, and we'll see how we go from there. Oh, guys, it smells so good. Now, mind you, like I said, I've never seen it this way. I've always had it made with Velveeta, the orange cheese. This is definitely more my style, I think. I'm not going to say I don't like a hunk of Velveeta every now and then, but this looks yummy. Going to add a little more milk. I could just see these 2 big fellas. Well, they're not big. They're just beautiful. Sitting on their couch with a pitcher of margaritas, some chip and dip. Who doesn't like that? They also recommend tortilla chips or Frito scoops, or any off-brand scoops you can find. This looks delicious, guys. Oh my God, I'm gonna put this milk in there. A little at a time, because once you thin it out, then I'm gonna have to add other things. Guys, this looks so good. Windy City Frenzy! Oh my God, guys, it looks so good. It smells so good. I think this is the consistency that I want. I think it is. Okay, we got to make sure it's nice and hot and bubbly before I scoopy scoop. Ladle, ladle. Okay, look at that. Windy City Frenzy's yummy, yummy, yummy spicy sausage dip. Like I said, I halved it so you can see how much this makes. It's going to make quite a bit, but this would be probably perfect for, you know, making it real quick at the table, or making it real quick for your family. Bring it in the living room, watching a movie. Look what I'm going to do. I'm going to ladle it in my fancy dip holder here. Guys, look at this. Can you see? Oh my God. So I guess the recipe would be perfect to put in a small crock pot. Because look, I got almost all of it in this dish. Okay. All right. We're putting you back up. All right, guys. You know we like our chip and dip. You know, I got it like this. Look. Isn't that pretty? Can you see it? Smell-o-vision. Oh, boys. I can't wait to try. Oh, man down. Man down with the chip. My God, guys, I can't wait. And you know what? I bet you the flavors just get better and better as it's simmering in a crock pot. I mean, look at, zooming in, right? Guys, winner, winner. Sausage dip dinner. I mean, I could probably sit here and go to town and eat it as a meal, guys. I really could. It's that good. Of course, you want to spice it up more. Red pepper flakes. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Mmm. All right. Thank you guys so much for your recipe. It's divine. I like it way better than the traditional with the Velveeta. This has more depth. It's creamier. Oh, it's so good. So, guys, you have a recipe out there? Send it to me, penny.wicked@gmail.com. I'm always looking down for some new recipes, dips, entrees, soups, chilies, desserts. You name it, I'll make it. I'll eat it. Well, we'll eat it together, right? And my family will enjoy the hell out of it. So, everybody have a great day. I'm just going to get back to my chip and dip. Thanks, guys, for adding another recipe to my repertoire. Peace, peace. Oh no! Oh no! Why won't it stop? Oh, this is a real low budget shit show. Oh, guys, look at this. Don't mind me. Am I coming in clear? It won't shut off. Oh, low budget. I'm going off the button. Oh. All right. This isn't funny anymore. What the hell? I'm getting mad. I finally got it turned off, can you tell? What a mess. Ooh. Hot Mess Express. Have a good day. Peace.